Hello, this screencast is designed to show you how to complete FACT assessment of teaching and learning. Once you've logged into Haiku and are in the correct class, you want to make sure that you're on the correct page. So head over to the left navigation bar and click on Section 2, Assessment of Teaching and Learning. Then you will be on the correct page and you are going to scroll down past the list of assignments. And you are going to stop when you get to FACT Assessment of Teaching and Learning. Once we're in the correct assignment block, you're going to go down to the orange writing, FACT Assessment of Teaching and Learning, and click on it to get to the assignment. The attachment is posted here, and you will click on that to download it to your computer. Once downloaded, you can open it up and begin. Participating teachers, you will complete the top section. Support providers and reviewers will complete the bottom section. The purpose of assessment of teaching and learning is to provide opportunities to consider prior knowledge and skills acquired in teacher preparation and Year 1 induction while assessing teaching practices for strengths and areas for growth. So as you take a look at this FACT verification form, you want to use these expectations along with the directions on each page as a guide to make sure you are completing the assignment correctly and meeting the requirements as well. You're going to begin by revisiting your Year 1 inquiry, but first start with your current teaching context. This is similar to last year's. If you are in the same teaching context, you can use that again. If it has changed, you'll want to update it to your current teaching context. So then we begin with, what was your Year 1 inquiry focus question? Please post it here. And then next, you're going to summarize your Year 1 inquiry. This is very brief, a paragraph or 5 bullets. Some ideas could be your overall goal that was accomplished, what worked and why, the summary of findings of student achievement we posted here, what stood out to you from your Year 1 inquiry. And then continue to describe how the Year 1 inquiry will impact your current teaching practice and your current students' learning. What are you going to use that you learned from your inquiry? That will be posted here. Next is the observation tool that your support provider will fill out as they observe you for this assignment. And then the next section is for the inclusion classroom. So using this form, the participating teacher will insert evidence of the CSTP elements observed from the support provider notes. This will happen with your support provider as well. So you are going to take a look at the notes your support provider took up here in their observation tool, and you can truly cut and paste and put them into the collection of evidence where they may meet relationship and roles, classroom management, learning strategies, etc. If you are not in an inclusion classroom, you are going to use the CSTPs posted here. And the same thing, you will take the evidence from the observation and you will input them into the area that you think it provides evidence of having met. So where in the support provider's notes did you engage and support all students in learning, or created and maintained effective environments for student learning? And you're going to do that all the way through to the last section. There is not a post-observation conversation per se this year. That conversation should be happening when you're looking at the evidence and inserting it into the CSTPs as well. And you can always be thinking about what you're going to do for your inquiry. You are a Year 2, and we expect that of you. And that is how you complete assessment of teaching and learning.